The train arrives at the station every hour. She was playing the piano when I arrived. We are going to the concert tomorrow. He finishes his homework before dinner every day. They bought a new car last week. I know the answers already. The sun shines brightly today. She will attend the meeting next Monday. We will complete the project by Friday. He moved to the new office last month. They are going to the party tonight. She performed very well at the competition. The children sit quietly in class. He arrived very late yesterday. We will answer the exam carefully. She started reading the book last night. The dog plays in the garden every afternoon. I found a new hobby recently. They painted the house last year. He finished his work by the deadline.
Thanks for watching. We hope you enjoyed this mixed English grammar quiz and learned something new today. If you had fun, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more quizzes and learning content.